Look at this video in front of you. You can see the man them come out of the car and them start chase the young youth, the footballer, Mr. Laing. And then you see them run back at them car. So them say this new footage is what the police them are used to try and track down the killer them. Now, from what it look like at some 87 and some loose ball them, yo. And to me, it seems like that guy, Leroy, was the target. We hear some rumors say a pum pum thing, but me don't know. The act is despicable. Anyways, let's go.
That's the time I hear the shot them. Them time I'm in the house. So meanwhile, me a runner go up in father. Runner come in. Some say, oh. The time for reach the corner, the people them done a runner come meet me already. I tell me, say, I look around. I'm a son. I run, go take him up. And I turn him over and drop on him face. So I turn him over. I couldn't be able to see this time. I run left him, naked as the day my band. Run left him. My left eye gone, him nose and him two front teeth them gone. Strip off my clothes naked as the day my band, but the police them have to hold me.
No, this is a very despicable act. So you want to tell me, say, nobody in Jamaica and in the surrounding area don't know of any youth or anybody who is involved with this? This is an 18-year-old young man who has great promise, and we see the video where the man then run out of the car, and it seems like Mr. Laing, this young youth, was targeted. They ran directly to him from the CCC or CCTV or TVCC video. You see what I'm saying? So I would like somebody, if you have any information on this, please let the authorities know. I'm gonna play the rest of the mother speech. I know everybody heard it before, but me gonna play it and try and break it and analyze and break it down. It really bother me, and the clip that just there when she said in I and them in there, I mean, that shit is so despicable. Those things I think I see on movie, so I don't know, but yeah, we need some help with that one, yeah. Please, public, help us.
Father can't even talk. All the mother look up in a ceiling. All the time hear him up me mouth when him just say, so them kill me youth. That's all him said, them kill me youth. I'm a loving child, I'm my best friend. He was my best friend. I tell you, mother, I said to myself, mommy, I make it rich, you know. Look for me, I make it rich. He said, I have to make it in the Man City side. I have to play for Man City. He said, me are the next De Bruyne, mommy, me are the next De Bruyne, Kevin De Bruyne. Under 20 was such a joy, see me, I tell you. And you did well want to play for Jamaica under 20. They need to stop the crime and violence. When them get out of this, to see them steal a mother's joy. A son we are going to make a mother proud. Not only mother, coaches, community, family, relatives. We want to know how them feel. Them run down and shoot a little boy, a little 18-year-old who never hold a gun yet. Don't even drink or smoke. More them remember him. Make him name proud out of run. Want somebody following him footsteps. That's the biggest thing in a Manning Cup with 18 goals. Want them following in footsteps.
At the end of the day, it's the same thing over and over. And it seems like our country and the citizens them is numb to it. You don't hear no upper heads, no artists, no people in any position speak out about these despicable acts. Everybody just hide up in them house, uptown, or wherever them there. And it's like a two different Jamaica. I can't see me as a popular figure in the public eye, and my country is like this. I'm talking about people like Usain Bolt, Beanie Man, the Cartel, all the well-known people in the public eye, from entertainer to public figures with them big-time education. You don't hear nobody condemning nothing. You don't hear none of these public figures organizing a rally or anything like that. It's always the little man in a ghetto, and the ghetto people them come out and them tear off them clothes and them block the road and them burn up tires, and it's just a constant. It's like a madhouse, and that Jamaica is really the definition of insanity, and I think that's what I am going to put on my tongue. Yeah, we are really the definition of insanity. It's the constant, the same thing over and over. Man are dead, people are dead, woman are dead, people are get raped, this, that. Program are run, hitman contract. I mean, you name it. Every crime on the planet is happening in a small third world country like Jamaica. I mean, it is insane. What is driving all the crime, the corruption, and all of that? And nobody knows nothing. Everybody living at a big house. So it is what it is. Like me I said, now you can get sling wet. It's nothing new. It's really sickening. It's sickening to my stomach. And hey, I guess that's it. I guess the people them we are living in a Jamaica in the moment. A man just wanting big old fresh food, this, that, food, enough girl, or you have, go good school, get a big education and get big job and live up on top of the hill. And that's pretty much where everybody focus on. There is nothing in between how to help you to get to that position. Anyways, me I chat too much, and like me I say again, anybody will know anything about this thing, please, enough to come forward, yo. Me I big up on that one, yeah. Come forward and let the authorities know. You understand? We need to catch them boy, yeah, and we need to put them in a prison, and we need to try them in the public arena. We don't want to hear the police still left. You understand? We want to hear them get catch and them go through the system. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. And remember, click on another video because there's many more videos where this comes from. And I upload a video every day. Sometimes I upload even 5 different videos. I'm out.